I'd rather be hated for who I am than liked for who I'm not. I'd rather be hated. People don't like me for who I truly am than people to like me for who I'm not. And I faced that personally growing up. So I look at that quote and go, you know what? I'm not trying to be what everybody wants me to be. I want to be who I want to be. Now, listen, I'm not trying to be like most men. I'm being me. Because here's the truth. There will come a time that you will be faced with choices, even as a young person, about drugs, alcohol, sex, social media stuff. That stuff will come. You got to ask yourself, I'd rather be hated for who I truly am than be liked for who I'm not. Because so many people try to fit in so long they lose who they are. And I don't want that for you, because listen, when you get down here, who will you be? Because let me tell y'all something. I'm going to give y'all perspective. We said y'all 12 to 15, right? Think about this. In the next 10 years, some of y'all could be parents. That's right here. That's only a couple years away. Who will you choose to be? If you're spending your life and energy trying to fit in to impress the people that you go to school with, the truth is you won't see some of them once you're out of high school. So my point is this. I'm not saying you shouldn't have friends, but don't become what they want you to be so you can be liked by people. Be who you are. If they don't like you, that's on them.